In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to contact to Costco customer service. Let's get started. First, launch your preferred browser. Now type in Costco customer service portal, then head over to its official website. You'll be directed to this kind of page. Scrolling down, you're going to find this option of contact us. Click on that. With that, you'll be directed to this kind of page. Costco offers support by phone and live chat, making it easy to speak with a customer service representative for issues related to online orders, deliveries, memberships, technical support, travel, bookings, business center orders, and more. Scrolling down, you're going to find out various phone numbers for various problems you are facing. Costco Business Center orders like with Costco Technical and Warranty Services, technical support, and many more. If you prefer not to call, you can also use the live chat feature available on Costco's official Contact Us page to connect with an agent online. Here, click on the option of Chat Us. Keep in mind that Costco does not offer customer support through email, and for security reasons, live chat agents cannot process payment information such as membership renewals. So that's it. This way you can easily contact Costco customer service. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.